So please introduce yourself to us.
Yeah, I'm Ezra Randy Otieno. I come from Korogosho, and I head a community outreach department at Coach FM. That's a community radio in Korogosho that has been partnering with Little Bees International. At the same time, I'm a board member of Little Bees International, and we've been working together with Little Bees International in some of the activities that they do in Korogosho here.
How is the life of a youth in Korogosho?
Being a young person in Korogosho is quite a challenge because some of these young people, they grow up without a clear role model. They look as if they've lost hope in life. And that was then. But things are beginning to change because young people are beginning to take up their lives, and they're beginning to try to mold a good life out of the frustrations and the things that they go through. Because in Korogosho, you find young people getting engaged in drugs, crime. There were days when Korogosho itself was very hostile for visitors. I remember even our Mr. Go is the CEO of Little Bees International, also is a victim of such incidences. So young people in Korogosho, there's a time when now they've lost hope in life and they take such frustrations into crime and drugs and all that. But that's why, as young people who've already seen the light, we're trying to come out as role models and trying to tell them that now there's an option. And the best option is just realize what you can do with your life and make it better. So people invest in education, in talent promotion and all that.
What changes does LBI has a potential to bring to Korogosho?
Little Bees International is one great organization in Korogosho right now, because as little as the organization itself is right now, the things that Little Bees International has done within the few years that it's been in Korogosho is a clear indication that in the few years that is coming, I think there's a change that will be accredited to Little Bees International. Like we've had the Amani School, where Little Bees International is the main supporter, and the young people, the small kids in Korogosho that did not have hope in education. But now with the program that Little Bees International is doing at Amani School, they begin to get good textbooks in Amani School. They get good teachers are being trained. So in terms of education, Little Bees International is trying to build a foundation in these young children at Amani School. Apart from that, we have Little Bees International also doing environmental seminars, doing training people on how they can make the environment clean. So all the three programs that Little Bees International is running in Korogosho has a great future, because the community itself has begun to accept whatever Little Bees, we've had these organizations that come to Korogosho, and when they come to Korogosho, they don't have a clear path how they want to take the people. But with the programs that Little Bees International is doing, they want the community to own the program. So when the environment seminars or these activities are done, the community themselves, the women who are having the environment seminars, they come enjoying and owning the process. So it's not all about Mr. Go and Little Bees International coming to them. They understand the benefit of what the program is going to have them. So Little Bees International has a future in Korogosho actually. And we believe with the little things that we began to do, with the little things that through the programs that we've had, we are going to see a great change in Korogosho.
Asante, thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.